It's just that if you have greedy people at the top that want more and more power, more wealth, more resources, that means it's going to be less for everybody else. I love talking with the people that say, well, I got mine, why don't they go out and get theirs? I got mine, go get yours. Well, the reason we can't is because they've taken it all. So one of the things we have to do is redistribute the opportunity and wealth in this country. And so we're here today to use what we have, to share what we know, to grow the power that makes it really a pretty good time to be not just a great citizen, but to be a leader in the struggle for justice in this country and in the world. And here's why. There are way more of us than there are of them. Way more. Example. If everybody that was getting messed with by health care felt like you did, we could solve this problem immediately after the presidential election of November 4th, 2008. If everybody, but here's what we're up against. See, that a lot of this is almost psychological. See, if you know you're in trouble, you had some experiences unpleasant, and then you say, oh wow, and then people misinform you. Pretty soon you believe you can't do anything about this. This is beyond your control, man. There are forces working on you. How are you going to fight the government? How are you going to stop people, the war in Iraq? How are you going to get a job if there aren't any jobs? I can't. How can you get an education if the school systems are as bad as I suggest they are? So pretty soon, a self-defeating attitude occurs with people who are being continually beaten down. But everybody here has said, you know, let's get out here and see what the Poor People's Economic Human Rights Campaign is about. You're not beaten down. You know it's wrong. A guy wrote a song about it this morning. You know it's not right. You know somehow it could be changed. If all of us, 50 million of us, got together who aren't getting the right health care, we could get it rather quickly. But you're not going to wait for all of us to get it together. When they started the revolution in this country, a third of the people were for staying with Britain. That's right. A third of the people were for let's get it on. We've had enough. A third of the people didn't care. They didn't know or care what we had done. I said, I'm here, man. So we're not looking for all of the people. Look, we've got each other. We've got ourselves. We finally figured out. And I'll tell you one thing as I go to my seat. Other people in the world are figuring it out too. You're not the only one that's begun to figure it out.